20 years, people must go to school. The children must go to work.
Only money that I want.
And to hurt people?
Yeah, the people, I will show you with your last born.
Yu bathani bomgosi ngale kwa love hayi bandla ziyakhala impela hi you family, welcome to all trending Mzansi. Bathani bomgosi, not a whole audio recording of Gogo Maweni telling her husband to dump his side chick being linked on social media. Hayi bandla yabo le besingayilindelanga impela eMzansi because hayibo. But then Bomkosi, on that audio, Gogo Maweni is heard telling the husband to tell that such good hayi bandla lokho bebenago kuphelile impela. Mantombazana hayi bandla anizisabi impela. But then Bomkosi, please listen to the following audio recording.
La nginomfazi, we tried to build a future. Ngiyacela uphume empilweni zethu. Thank you.
No, tell her that you don't want to be with her, you don't want to see her, and I have a fucking address, okay? And her stupid ass that whatever you guys were doing together, it is over. And I'm not going to leave you for a rat that stays in Turffontein. A stupid girl of Fasipondo, or you thought it was good enough for you to come. You tell her that you're not interested in that shit. Because she's shit. And you tell her that she's shit. She was only good for then.
Hey, hayi bandla. Hayi yabo le yona. I was not expecting it. But then, of course, it is alleged ukuthi this audio recording happened years back. And this, of course, it was confirmed by the alleged husband. Please listen to the following video.
Lalela, uma ngabe kuyiqiniso ukuthi sonke sifunda ngamaphutha, kungani ningibambe ngamasende ngephutha elenzeke eminyakeni emithathu eyedlule? Mhlawumbe uma ngabe seniqedile ukuhlekisa ngehlala izolo kuyofanele nizibuze ukuthi mangaka amatafula bengawo uma besingawasusa amagama ethu ekwasekeleni. Mhlawumbe kuyofanele nikhulekele nengelozi yokwamukela ukuthi ukusehlukanisa nehlulekile. I'm building a future with my wife. Thank you. Mhlawumbe kuyofanele niphume niphele kuthina.
Hayi ngeke uyabona kwa love uzophenduka i-motivational speaker ubuye ube yi-poet because sana Aisha. But Bomkosi, I leave this to your hands. Please do leave your comments down below. Comment ngesibindi se-side chick. Ubuye ucomment ngesibindi sakabhuti ukuthi hayi bo, why cheat kodwa? Ubuye futhi uqhaze kabanzi ukuthi hayi bandla uGogo Maweni aze aforce pho indoda ukuthi ilahle i-side chick. That's it for today, but don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.